so to take this apart, we're just going to do everything that we did in reverse. So disconnect your cable connections, so power, disconnect the mic, disconnect the solar on this end, loosen up the hose clamp for the microphone, and then just slide that off the top. Remove the bottom U-bolt completely, and then simply loosen the top U-bolt, and then you can slide the case up over the top, and then loosen the 2 hose clamps for the solar panel, and you can slide the solar panel up over the top.